In this video, we will set up an output, media, job ticket, and page setup. Once those are done, we will linearize the printer, create and assign the output ICC profile, and then submit and preview a test print. Step 1. Create an output. Go to the Workbench application. Select Output in the Data Types list. Create a new output by selecting File menu, New. Give the output a meaningful name. I'm calling this RGB printer calibration, but you can call it anything you like, usually related to the printer you are using. In the Printer and Media panel, click the Output Driver button and select your printer driver from the list. For this example, we are calibrating a Canon Image Pro Graph Pro 2000 with printers screening. Go to the Connection panel and configure the destination driver for the printer. This is the method for connecting to the printer. I am using Bonjour, however you may use TCP/IP or something else depending on your network. Test the connection is configured correctly. Select Save and Test. A response of OK means everything is correctly configured. Up next. Step 2. Create a media.